How to connect VRBO to Hotwire. Connecting VRBO to Hotwire typically isn't possible because they operate independently and cater to different aspects of travel services. VRBO specializes in vacation rentals, allowing property owners to list their homes for short-term rentals. Hotwire focuses on discounted hotel rooms, car rentals, and vacation packages. If you want to combine bookings from VRBO and Hotwire, you can use both platforms separately. Book your vacation rental through VRBO and use Hotwire to find deals on car rentals or other services for your trip. That's it. Thanks for watching.